What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here with Krietz Customs. Right now we're looking at a 2019 Toyota Tacoma that we just got done fixing up here at Krietz Customs. First, we're going to go over the lift kit. So if you guys are going to get your Tacoma lifted, trying to figure out what to do with it, you should take a look at what we did. The lift kit is going to be a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit, which is going to really help it raise up the truck and fit this bigger wheel and tire package underneath to really give that more aggressive look going. When you get a lift kit from rough country, you have your three options to go for. You have your lifted strut spacer, which is going to have that spacer that goes above the factory strut. You have your extended struts, which are just going to completely replace the factory strut assembly. And then you're going to also, you have your third option, which is going to be the coilover vertex shocks, which is going to give you the best ride quality. This one we went with the extended struts because this one does have a little bit more miles on it, and we just kind of want to get ahead and get some of that ride quality back. The tire's going to be a 35 1150 R20 Nitto Ridge Grappler, and this is one of our favorite tires to use. It's a mix between that mud terrain and all-terrain tire, so it's still going to give you the aggressiveness of a mud terrain with the aggressive sidewall and a little bit of that thicker tread, but it's also going to give you a really nice ride on the road with a quieter ride and a long tread life. With this one, with the wheel and tire setup, it's going to have a little bit more of a bulge of the tire, so it's going to come out just a little bit past the rim or the lip of the wheel to give it some protection. The wheel is going to be a 20x9 Fuel Tech. This one's going to be that gloss black, and you do have a couple different options. If you don't want to go with the gloss black, you have your anthracite, which is going to be a gray color. Then you also have your bronze. However, I really do like this wheel on this vehicle because it does have that off-road aggressive look, which I think really sets off the Tacomas a lot. So that's something you should really look into, is more of those aggressive looking off-road wheels. You have different size options as well. If you don't want to go with a 20x9, you can go with anything from a 17x9, 18x9, or a 19 or 20x9. So you do have those options if you want to go with a little bit of a different size. So if you guys like this setup with this wheel and tire package and this lift, which I really think you would because it is a very nice, aggressive build, you guys can go ahead and get that built right here at Krietz Customs. We can do that for you, but also check out our 0% financing so you can go ahead and get it built now and pay later.